ElevenLabs just broke the entire internet. You already know them for insanely realistic AI voices, right? Well, they just went full Super Saiyan. They're now an entire AI studio. You can generate images, videos, lip sync, music, sound effects, literally everything you need, all in one place. And trust me, it is completely insane. And if you want the exact prompts, workflow, and behind-the-scenes process I'm using, join our community. We drop free prompts, AI tutorials, and step-by-step workflows every day. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn one simple idea into a full cinematic adventure animation using only ElevenLabs. Text, image, video, lip sync, final edit, all inside one platform. Let's jump in. Step 1, image generation. Inside ElevenLabs, go to Playground, Image and Video, Image. Choose the model Dream 4. We're creating our story's hero, a male adventurer. Copy and paste the prompt. Set aspect ratio 16:9. Generations 2. Click Generate. Your hero instantly appears at the top of your history. If it's blurry, click Load 2K. If you want it ultra crisp, upscale image 2 times or 4 times via Topaz. This becomes the main character for your scene. Step 2, remix the character. Now let's turn the hero into a full action moment. Hover over the image, click Reference. Remix prompt, male adventurer action. Copy and paste the prompt. Choose one variation, click Generate. Boom, now he's in a full adventure action shot. Step 3, turn image into video, Sora 2. Click Video. Your image becomes the starting frame automatically. Choose Model, Sora 2. Fast aspect ratio, 16:9. Duration, 8 seconds. Generations, 2. Now, we use timeline prompting. This is how you control the camera, action, lighting, and sound. Every 2 seconds. Adventure timeline prompt, copy-paste. Click Submit. Sora creates 2 versions of your cinematic scene. Pick the best one. Step 4, add music and sound. Click Edit. Now you're inside ElevenLabs Studio. Add text overlays, music, sound effects, extra voice lines. For music, type Epic Fantasy Adventure Soundtrack, soaring violins, deep drums, emotional heroic buildup. Generate. Drag underneath the video. Instant trailer bombs. Step 5, lip sync. Now let's make the adventurer talk. Upload his image, your recorded line. Choose 2 variations. Click Submit.
When you fly into the unknown, you don't find legends. You become one.
Lip sync is crazy accurate. Your character suddenly feels alive. Step 6, download. To download anything you created, hover, click Download, done. Your entire cinematic adventure is ready. And that is how ElevenLabs evolved from AI voices into a full cinematic creation engine. Create your characters, animate your world, add sound, music, dialogue, lip sync it all inside one platform. But quick heads up, every generation inside the ElevenLabs image and video generation costs credits, and some models use a lot. So make sure you preview, test small, and only upscale when you're ready. Trust me, those credits disappear fast. And if you want the exact prompts, workflows, Sora timelines, and credit-saving strategies I use, join our community. We break everything down step by step, free. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.